Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to see how to integrate your storefront into Citrix NetScaler, basically Citrix ADC in the newer version. So on the screen you can see this is my storefront, and now I'm going to integrate into Citrix NetScaler. The easiest way I'm going to show you. You might configure different ways, so let me show you something easy. So this is my NetScaler, the ADC, and yeah, let's start. So you can see it is purely fresh NetScaler, not configured anything. You can see on virtual server we not have anything. Okay, so yeah, so you can see this option ZenApp and Zen Desktop integrate with Citrix product, and inside ZenApp and Zen Desktop. Just click there, click on get started, and let's move. Okay, so here you can see three options: storefront, web interface on Citrix ADC. So we are going to integrate storefront, so we'll use storefront option, the web interface for the earlier versions, and the web interface on Citrix ADC, the similar kind of thing. So we are going to use for this demo storefront. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead, click on continue. Okay, so give the gateway. So let me type all these details quickly. So this is my NetScaler address, and I'm selecting this option. Basically it is to secure the port from HTTP to HTTPS. So in this page we are going to add a storefront URL, which you seen earlier on my page, and let's see. So ensure you not have any gaps in your URL, so it will create a problems for you. Okay, so check everything properly. So I have added my Active Directory domain name as well as my secure ticketing authority URL, which is nothing but my connector servers. Okay, and let's click on continue. Okay, so let's add, it's asking to authentication type, domain, or use existing server. So for this demo we are using the existing server, which is our AD server, and you can see here. Okay, so LDAP is added, click continue. Okay, so authentication type is updated, and you can see here one connector is down, one is up, so this is the purposely I kept down. Okay, it's nothing related to this demo. So I have some things going on there, so I kept that down. Okay, so only one connector is up. Okay, so you can see the gateway settings, the IP address, underscore URL, certificate, the license, number of days, everything, all the details you can see on this screen. Okay, so let's click done and type the new URL. So let me open a new tab. So you can see this is the earlier storefront. So let me open a new tab and add my NetScaler address out here. Okay, so you can see the difference, the storefront page, how it looks, and the Netscaler page, how it looks. Okay, so it's really easy to understand, okay, what is what. Okay, so let me add the username and password. Oops, my mistake. Let me add the correct username and password. So here you can see I'm able to log in, and it's asking me to detect a receiver. That means I'm able to log in with the new Citrix Netscaler URL, and this is the easiest way, guys, you to convert from storefront to studio if you want. Okay, there are many other methods also, but for your lab testing, and if you not have that much of time for your demo purpose, so you can use this method also. Okay, there are other methods also. You can refer my channel, uh, and there are many documents in Citrix sites also. Okay, and if you like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for the more Citrix Cloud videos on this channel. That's it for today.